Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Radical Lines Garage. This time it's Mattias Royal Limo, Chrysler Royal Limo from 1938 that we have put it up on the chassis jig. we have started to mount the Chrysler 300 from 2005-6 rear end. So we have jigged it up with like 1,000 bars and pipes and all that kind of thing, and we have chopped the frame, and now it's time to do the new kick up for it. A lot of measuring, not so fun to look at, so we have already done the boring part. So now it's time to cut out the pieces on the plasma. This is a project that has been in the making for
too fucking long
years. Good things take time. And it will be also a new front end. It will be a Chevy S10 front end. 99? Yes. So it's all jigged up and we can chop it and know that nothing moves. And we also can move this up and down to have a good working height. And we have the crane as well, so pretty easy to work with. And let's begin.